Hello and welcome. Now, in order to set up a squeeze page system, we're going to need to create 3 pages. We're going to need to create an opt-in page, a thank you page, and then a final landing page. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a dummy opt-in page, and we're going to just use an existing template, and we're going to create the page. Now, when we create this box, we're going to be required to put a thank you page in here, and that's actually a wise choice. Because as soon as the person opts in, what we want to do is we want to encourage them to go and check their email so they can finish the process. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a thank you page URL. And we'll use an existing template. And then we'll create the page. So we have a check your email now. What we're going to do is we're just going to publish this page. And then we're going to take the URL and we're going to put it back inside of the page that we just looked at. So we're now going to place that thank you page inside of this dialog box so that whenever the person actually makes contact with us, they put their name and email address into our box, then they're going to be shown a page telling them to go and check their email. We're going to go ahead and save this. Now there's one more page that we need to create, and that is the page where they're actually going to get their content. So we're going to create a download page. We're going to use an existing template. And we're going to create our page. And once our download is then ready, we'll set it up on this page. Now once again, we are using Optimized Press for the sake of simplicity. You will use the page builder that you use typically, as long as it is associated with a site-wide Google Analytics code. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to get the URL to this page. Now the reason that this page is important is because the person that's actually opted in will not get access to this page until they've completed the process. So this is where they get the content. This is also where they land when they complete the process. And it's likely that they're only going to land there once. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this URL, and now we are ready then to look to Google Analytics. And we're now going to go to our admin area. We get there, we're going to go to the goals area. And we're now going to define a new goal. And what we're going to do is we're going to create an acquisition goal, which is an account creation goal. And we're now going to click continue. And basically, we're saying that if a person reaches this destination, they will have completed the goals. We're going to call this goal opt-in. And then we're going to click continue. What we're going to do now is that we're going to actually place this page inside of our Google Analytics so that when the person reaches this page, they will be counted and the goal will have been reached. Now we're not doing value, we're not doing funnel, so now what we can do is we can click save. And so we have now set up our squeeze page system with Optimized Press. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.